Welcome to Leeds College Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I'm a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at Leeds College English Department. Today I would be discussing about an important topic, and that is the subject-verb agreement. What exactly this topic is and what are different fundamental topics, points in this topic. Subject-verb agreement tells us about the agreements of the subject with the verb. How to match the singular subject with the singular verb, and how to match the plural subject with the plural verb. To understand this topic properly, I have sketched an important grammatical map, where this one, subject in this grammatical map grammatically agrees with the verb, and I have listed two cases. Case number one is the singular subject's I grammatically agrees with the singular verb's I am. In the plural subjects, they grammatically agrees with the plural verbs they are. If I say I are is not the agreement between the subjects and the verb. Now, to understand this topic, we need to understand the principles of the subject-verb agreement. Keep in mind, we have two principles. Principle number one tells the singular subject grammatically agrees with the singular verb. I have listed two cases. Case number one, he as and Ali writes. In first example, he as the singular subject grammatically agrees with the singular verb as, and Ali is also the singular subject grammatically agrees with the singular verb writes. The principle number second of the subject-verb agreement tells the plural subject grammatically agrees with the plural verb. For example, they are and they write. In each of these examples, we have the plural subject pronouns they grammatically agrees with the plural verb are and write. To understand this topic, I have listed some of the important examples on the whiteboard. Like, I do not take breakfast. In the first case, we have the singular subject I grammatically agrees with the auxiliary verbs do not. And second, he does not take breakfast is the grammatical combinations of the singular subject he with the auxiliary does. Using do with he as not the agreement and not acceptable according to the subject-verb agreement rule. Case number third, you and I are working. Sometimes this structure is used wrongly. Remember, if we have two pronouns I and you linked together by an, also called coordinate modifier, grammatically agrees with the plural verb. You and I are working. Next, he has done a job is the grammatical agreements of the singular verb has done with the singular pronoun he. The last case, as they have written a research paper, is the grammatical agreements of the perfect plural auxiliary have with the plural subject they. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.